In previous video, we talked about V2Ray client-side apps and V2Ray server-side software. Almost every client-side app is easy to install. But, for XUI software, I think it's good to give support. First you need to download a file that contains Linux commands. You can find download link in the description. After you click on download file URL, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Scroll down. You can see download file topic. Click on file button. Click on download button. File is being downloaded. So, let's start our work. Now you can see my VPS and downloaded text file. You need to use a Linux VPS for this. First copy root access command. Paste it and press enter. Now copy installing XUI panel command. Paste it and press enter. This takes some time. Type Y and press enter. Now you need to type username and password for accessing XUI panel. Type any username here. Press enter. Type any password here. Press enter. You need to access XUI panel through browser. So, you need to give port number for running XUI server. Type a port number that you are not using for other servers. Press enter. Now we need to open port in Firewall. UFW and iptables are popular firewall management tools. So, you can use one of these commands that's suitable for you. You need to type port number that you typed before, instead of port text. Now copy opening port using UFW command. Paste it and press enter. If you use iptables, in here, you need to type port number that you typed before, instead of port text. Copy opening port using iptables command. Paste it and press enter. You can close window because now we can access XUI panel using browser. Now you can access XUI panel. Open your browser. Now type this in search bar. Public IP address of your VPS plus semicolon plus port number that you typed before. I don't put 80 because web browser uses port 80 as default port number. Now go to it. Now type username and password that you typed before. Click on sign in. You can see this page is written in Chinese language. You can use Google Translate to translate it. Now I will show you how to add a V2Ray config. Click on inbound list. Click on plus sign button. You can use Google Translate again. This is just an example. After everything is completed, click on Add to button. After that, you also need to open port that you used in config, in VPS. I think now you have better idea about XUI panel. Put comment on video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share this video.